Chapter 2. The Power of Unity. The next time the students entered, the magic classroom was more difficult. In front of the children was an invisible bridge. A glowing sign read, "Only those with respect, ambition, and courage can cross." Sarah thought for a moment. Respect means we listen and care for each other. Zine added, "Ambition means we believe in our success." Omar took a deep breath. Courage means we try even when we are scared. They stepped onto the invisible bridge, holding hands and encouraging one another. Every kind word they spoke and every brave step they took made the bridge appear slowly beneath their feet. When Omar hesitated, his friends cheered him on, reminding him he wasn't alone. At the end of the bridge, a golden door appeared with a message. "Determination opens every door. Never give up." The team tried many ideas, but nothing worked. Hours passed. They refused to quit. Finally, Omar whispered, "Let's sing together. Maybe unity is the key." They sang, and slowly the golden door opened. They clapped and laughed, proud of their teamwork.